everyone, welcome back to the channel and welcome to the next video in our Active Directory Lab series. If you've been following along, we've already built our foundation by setting up the primary domain controller with DNS and DHCP, joined our first Windows 11 client, and established a secure organizational structure with OUs and security groups. Today, we're taking the next crucial step in managing our environment. We're going to dive deep into group policy objects, or GPOs. If OUs are the rooms in our building, GPOs are the house rules that tell everyone what they can and cannot do once they're inside. So what exactly is a GPO? Put simply, a group policy object is a powerful set of rules and settings in Active Directory that allows administrators to manage and configure users and computers in their domain. Think of them as a centralized control panel. Instead of manually configuring settings on every single machine, you define the configuration in a GPO once, and it gets applied to all the relevant users or computers. To manage these rules, we use a specific tool called the Group Policy Management Console, or GPMC. Just like we used Active Directory users and computers to build our OUs, GPMC is where we create, edit, and link our policies. To open it, head to Server Manager. Click Tools and select Group Policy Management. In the left pane, you'll see our forest, mydomain.com, and underneath, those geography-based OUs we built in the last video. Before we get into the lab portion of the video, we need to clarify two things when it comes to GPOs. 1. The GPO naming. 2. User and computer configurations. When creating group policy objects, it's important to use clear and specific names instead of vague ones like Policy 1 or New GPO. In real environments, administrators may manage hundreds of GPOs, so names should describe what the policy does and who it applies to, such as HR, Control Panel Restriction, or Workstation, Software Installation Restriction. When you create or edit a GPO, you'll see two main sections: Computer Configuration and User Configuration. Computer configuration settings apply to the computer object itself, regardless of which user logs in. Examples include system security settings like password complexity or account lockout, disabling USB drives, or installing software. These policies apply when the computer boots up and at specified intervals. User configuration settings apply to the specific user who is logged in, regardless of which computer they use. This includes desktop background, mapped network drives, and application-specific settings. These apply when the user logs in and also refresh. Okay, now for the fun part, the hands-on lab. Based on our requirements, we're going to create and test 4 distinct GPOs. We'll make 2 user-focused policies and 2 computer-focused policies. For our computer policies, we'll create 1. A restrict USB access policy, which will link to our New York computers OU. 2. Enable Windows Firewall policy, which will link to our entire domain for good measure. For our user policies, we'll create 1. A set desktop wallpaper policy, which will link to the California users OU. 2. A disable control panel access policy, which will link to the Florida users OU. Let's build our first computer policy to restrict USB access. In GPMC, we'll create a new GPO named Restrict USB Access. Then we'll edit it. We navigate down through Computer Configuration, Policies, Administrative Templates, System, Removable Storage Access. There's a setting: all removable storage classes. Deny all access. We'll enable this, apply it, and close the editor. Now, we link it to our target OU, which is New York computers. Next up, our second computer policy, enabling Windows Firewall. Create a new GPO named Enable Windows Firewall. Let's edit it. We'll navigate to Computer Configuration, Policies, Windows Settings. Security Settings. Windows Firewall with Advanced Security. Click on Properties. Now, we want to make sure the state is set to On for all three profiles: Domain, Private, and Public. We apply that. And this one will link at the top-level domain, so it applies everywhere by default. Now, let's switch to user policies. We'll create a new GPO called Desktop Wallpaper. Then we'll edit it. For this one, we go to User Configuration, Policies, Administrative Templates, Desktop. Here's the desktop wallpaper. Enable it and specify the path to an image file. I have a test image on a share I made prior with an image. Let's apply that. While we're here, under Personalization, we could also prevent changing desktop background, just to be sure. Now, let's link the policy to the California Users OU. Finally, our fourth and final GPO, Disable Control Panel Access. Let's make a new GPO called Disable Control Panel Access. Now, let's edit that policy. This one is simple. User Configuration, Policies, Administrative Templates, Control Panel. We'll click the Prohibit Access to Control Panel and PC Settings. Then go ahead and click the Enable button and then apply it. Now it's time to link the policy to the Florida Users OU. Now comes the moment of truth. Testing. We'll switch over to a client computer joined to our domain, and we'll log in to test the policies. GPOs don't always apply immediately, so we want to force them. I'll open an elevated command prompt and run gpupdate/force. This tells the system to check in with the domain controller and download any new group policies. Sometimes, policies may not reset immediately and may require you to restart your computer before taking effect. In this case, the wallpaper should have applied. Let's go ahead and restart. Now, after the restart, you can see the wallpaper appears. Let's test the computer policy. I'm going to plug in a USB drive. There it is. Access denied. Now, let's try to open the control panel. As you can see, it shows that access is restricted. This means our policies are working. And that's it. We've successfully set up, configured, linked, and tested 4 different group policy objects in our lab. GPOs are an incredibly powerful tool in Active Directory management, allowing you to secure your environment and automate system configurations at scale. I encourage you to explore the thousands of settings available in GPOs and see what other things you can configure. If you found this video helpful, please give it a thumbs up, consider subscribing for more Active Directory content.